Alright, since last time, we've just before we left, we took off the roof panels, all off the roof. The lights are dangling down at the minute, but they're going to actually be disconnected and just stuffed in the roof because we don't need them because they run off the engine battery, so we don't want that. There's a bit of a pain actually to get out because the clips that was supposed to clip into like here, they was all stuck in, so we couldn't actually get like a lot of them out. So I had to rip the wood around them and then get some pliers and actually yank them out. But yeah, that's done now. So now today we're actually moving on to doing the window over there.
To start off with, we've got to take off this wood panelling, so then we can get to the metal.
Those little stumpy ones. Makes it easier. Alright, first hole to drill. We're going back after this, is there? Alright. I've got the right drill bit. Time for round two with hopefully a drill that's got, well, yeah, it's got some power in it. Try again. Alright, so we cut out the majority of the window. We used I don't know what it's called, some saw down here. We use this to cut out the big bit in the middle. You look at it, this. We use this to cut out the big bit in the middle because the angle grinder we got and the jigsaw didn't have metal cutters, which was annoying. And then to tidy it up, I've used a pair of left-handed offset tin snips. These are. So we use these to tidy it up and nearly there. So hopefully now if we go around with just a metal rasp and a file, should be able to get it level and hopefully get it ready for actually fitting them, which would be good. So I hope it works. Alright, so we've the windows all cut out now, so that's ready to go. We've put primer around the edge of the actual metal, and now we've cleaned around the edge of the window and I'm ready to prime it. And once that's primed and dry, while that's drying, I'm actually going to put the J trim around where the window goes. So hopefully then by the time I've done that, the window will be dry, and then we put the sealant on and stick it in. So it's so far so good. So we fitted the window now. It took us all night last night. We didn't finish till about 11 o'clock or something like that. We initially took the sealant, the sealant in inside the house to warm up a bit, but we brought it out and it was out for a couple of hours, so it got really cold again. And I didn't think to obviously warm it back up. And then when I went to use it, it was a nightmare to get out. To be honest, it took absolutely ages, and I'm still learning today from doing it. But it's in now, and to be honest, I didn't think it would be watertight. I thought just because it was a nightmare to put in yesterday, I didn't think it would actually hold up. But so far, we put a jug of water around it, and Tabitha was inside the van with a torch, and you couldn't see any leaks or anything. So it looks like it is watertight. When you push on it and stuff, it doesn't really spongy move. So I think it's fully dried now. It has had about 12 hours, so it should be fine. But as it's, I don't know, probably 1-2 degrees in it, or something, especially overnight, it's not been very warm. So we're just going to shut the doors, roll the van back a bit, and leave it in here till probably next week when we come over again. But yeah, hopefully it holds up when we drive down. We've got to go down the driveway. It's got some speed bumps, so hopefully it don't fall off when we go over them. But that'll be the real test, I suppose. But yeah, all good. It's all in now. Looks a lot better. One massive job out of the way. So it's been an odd day's work, but good.